Welcome to Tactile Carry, where we explore the world of everyday carry, one budget pocket knife at a time. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting to build your perfect EDC kit, you've come to the right place. Today we're unboxing something new. Will this be the latest addition to your rotation? Who knows? Let's find out together. Stay sharp and let's get into it. All right, new knife day. So I see that we have a SENCUT. We're opening this guy with a CJRB Feldspar. I believe that's a jade colored handles. I'm a CJRB fan, so I'm kind of happy to crack this one out to do some opening for us. So let's see what this SENCUT. This is my first SENCUT, so I have no experience with this brand at all. This was an Amazon find. I forget the price. It wasn't very expensive at all. And you'll see once I get it open here, it will look similar to that CJRB Feldspar. There we go. All right, some swag. And also jade color. I can tell right now it's a little larger than that Feldspar. You can see the skeletonized liner if you look hard enough. Larger blade for sure. I believe that's also a D2 blade. You can feel the weight. So as you're flicking open, you know, the extra weight, you can really feel it on the flick. Not huge. I mean, it is larger, and yeah, there we go. So big brother, little brother. The Feldspar now is a big brother, and the big brother is the SENCUT Phantara. By the way, links for both of these will be in the description if you want to look into these, or maybe get one for yourself, or both if you want a matching pair. So the new one's coming in almost a quarter of an inch longer, almost an entire ounce heavier, and about a ½ inch longer when we're talking entire length. That's handle and blade. And sharp, yes, it is sharp. Hey, thanks for watching.